hidden away, a secret den just outside Dublin City. A house of sin and debauchery for many years gone by. Women, drink and gambling, or anything you might try. Oh, welcome to the Hellfire Club, the Hellfire Club. The story goes that on one night a game of cards was played. A knock on the door and entered in a man of wealth in space. He stayed and played one hell of a game, but when one card fell loose, upon bending down, the player saw the stranger's feet were hooves. Oh, welcome to the Hellfire Club, the Hellfire Club. If you enter, you'll never leave. Your soul, you'll never retrieve. Another one goes that a farmer boy went to sneak a peek. Curiosity got a hold of him, his self-control was weak. He was found and suddenly dragged inside, and when he reappeared, his hair was white with the fright. He was deaf and dumb with fear. Oh, welcome to the Hellfire Club, the Hellfire Club. I said, yeah, welcome to the Hellfire Club, the Hellfire Club. They said good to the dry. They said do what you want. They said good to the dry, the Hellfire Club. Thank you.